I am a homeopathic physician, Dr. Mohammad Amirul Islam, DH, MS Dhaka, MSc Math. Now I say about disease, sick, patient and health. According to Samuel Hahnemann, when a person falls ill, it is only this spiritual, self-acting, automatic vital force everywhere present in his organism that is primarily deranged by the dynamic influence upon it of a morphic agent inimical to life. It is only the vital force deranged to such an abnormal state that can furnish the organism with its disagreeable sensation and incline it to the irregular process which we call disease. Sick. Number 1. Spiritually or morally unsound or corrupt. Number 2. Filled with disgust or chagrin. Number 3. Depressed or longing for something. Number 4. Mentally or emotionally unsound or disordered. Number 5. Sickly, lacking vigor, sickly. Number 6. Affected with disease or ill health, patient. An individual waiting or under medical care and treatment. Merriam-Webster Collegiate Dictionary, USA. According to Health World Organization, according to WHO, World Health Organization, health is a complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক করুন, শেয়ার করুন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার সঙ্গেই থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।